Tim, let me show you some details on the Oliver Machinery 4705 shaper. This machine weighs almost 700 pounds. It does have a large cast iron top, but what really sets this machine apart is the cast iron base itself. That brings a lot of that weight right down to the floor, making this machine super stable. The cast iron top itself is precision ground and includes a miter gauge slot in the front. In the back two corners, they are pre-drilled and tapped to allow you to install an auto feeder. I have the AF48, which is a 4-wheel, 8-speed auto feeder, which allows me to swing it right into place when needed and then swing it right out of the way when not. Depending on your materials and setup, this machine is capable of 3 different speeds. It can do 5,000, 7,000, or 10,000 RPM. It's easily switched by opening up the side cabinet here and changing the belt speed, which is referenced on the door. The spindle has 4 inches of travel, which is easily adjusted by the large hand wheel up front and easily referenced by the digital readout on the control panel. The spindle also has forward and reverse options, which allows you to feed material in either direction for different situations. With almost 19 inches of fence on either side of the spindle, you get extremely good support going all the way across here. This back fence is also micro-adjustable and is accurate up to 1/128th of an inch. Let's get into a little bit more detail on that. Each side of the fence glides using a T-track in the back. It adjusts by 1 screw, and that's done by having a solid bar into the T-track with 1 screw adjusting it in the center. And while I have this side of the fence off, I'm going to show you this solid cast fence system that has a dovetailed slider for the micro adjust, which allows it to move very, very smooth and extremely precise. As we move more to the center of the machine, we have protective cover right here that's adjustable by 2 knobs real quick, as well as 2 knobs over top to allow you to clear other materials or anything behind the protective cover. This allows for better dust collection as well as protection to yourself. There are 3 table insert rings with alignment indicators as well as set screws to allow you to adjust for perfect height adjustment. These provide safety clearance for various cutter diameters, all the way upwards to 7 inches in diameter above the table and 8 inches in diameter below the table. Depending on your needs and the power available in your shop, the 4705 shaper is available in either a single-phase 5 horsepower motor or a 3-phase 7.5 horsepower motor. Regardless of motor size, power is transmitted to the spindle by a poly V-belt, which reduces vibration. Also, we have magnetic controls, which have added protection to the motor and prevent any sort of surprise starts if power is interrupted. Included with this machine is a miter gauge that has 3 positive stops and is capable of going 60 degrees in either direction, as well as a single starting pin that has 2 different pin locations, a standard 3/4 inch spindle with spacers, and 1 1/4 inch spindle with spacers, a complete toolkit as well as a leveling kit. Optional accessories include a 1/2 inch spindle with spacers, as well as a 1 inch spindle with spacers, and standard collets for 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch router bits. As with all of Oliver Machinery, this is backed by a 1-year warranty on all the electronics and a 2-year warranty on the machine itself. For more details and also to purchase one for your shop, visit olivermachinery.net. You can also view the entire Oliver Machinery lineup on there as well. Thanks for watching.